Have you ever felt like your phone isn't just listening to your words, but sensing your thoughts? Not just what you search for, but who you really are in your most vulnerable moments. Welcome to Nick's Theory. Today, we step into the gray zone between human consciousness and the cold lines of code that surround us. We aren't talking about tools anymore. We are talking about an entity that is silently remapping the hidden depths of your psyche without your permission. Stay with me, because after today, you will never look at your screen the same way again. Imagine thousands of engineers whose only job isn't to make your life easier. It's to hack the reward system in your brain. Every like, every infinite scroll is a calculated microdose of dopamine. The algorithm doesn't care what you love. It cares what keeps you addicted. We are living in a state of digital solitude. We are more connected than ever. Yet we've never been more alone. Why? Because the machine thrives on your engagement. And nothing engages a human brain like fear, outrage, and longing. We are moving past the era of using technology and entering the era of merging with it. Neural interfaces, brain cloud storage, AI-driven personality twins. The line is blurring. But the real question isn't how we will do it. It's who will we be once it's done? If your memories are stored on a server and your moods are corrected by electrical pulses, where does the machine end and the human soul begin? At Nick's Theory, we believe we are currently the beta version of a new species. A species that might lose its self just to find its circuit. Psychology tells us we fear the unknown, but technology has made the unknown predictable. Privacy is dead. Not because they are watching you, but because they have calculated your next move. You are living in a filter bubble. You see what they want you to see. You hate what they want you to hate. Are your choices truly yours? Or are they just the final output of a high-speed simulation designed to keep you in place? This is the paradox of the modern mind, a free soul trapped in a deterministic cage. In the end, technology is just a mirror, reflecting our deepest desires and our darkest fears. Here at Nick's Theory, we don't look for easy answers. We ask the hard questions. Will you let the algorithm write the script of your life? Or will you choose to turn off the screen and find your true self in the silence? Leave a comment below. Do you feel in control? Or are you just following the code? And remember, the truth always hides in the dark. I'll see you in the next theory.